Yeah. I say, fraud is Shivambu, as he's normally called in some circles, is a total failure as a politician. I wrote about this the very first week when he ditched his home in the EFF for the wilderness in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, something that really is held together by a mixtape, you know. And we all know it doesn't have a future. We all know that it's dependent on the health of the leader, the one who achieves nothing and says he's going to tell us all the secrets, and he never does. So it was quite clear from the beginning that this was the beginning of an end of Shivambu's political career. And it came faster than I had predicted. And this idea of starting a new political party, he should speak to the guy who started Rise and Sons. He had the funding, he had the think tank behind him, he had all the resources you can think of. Campaigned in the whole country for 2 years, I think, and ended up with how many seats in parliament? We all know the numbers, right? So the political landscape is like it's a stampede. There's no point on anyone starting a new political party. And also, he lacks something that other politicians have, something that is taken for granted. It's called charisma. Shivambu doesn't have that. And then he lacks the oratory, you know, the optics are not right. He stood up there alone and for about 4 minutes, he was just counting the regions and districts he's going to be visiting in South Africa. So clearly, no one advised him what you do when you're on live television in terms of the key messaging. What we found there was a Zuma script. I remain a member of the MKP, but I'm starting a new political party. I mean, it's a waste of time for all South Africans. And I think we should just really focus on things that, we know, the bread and butter issues that face South Africans every day, the cost of living crisis, we know, the issues of unemployment. Shivambu and others can really take a back seat.